games were winnable. Nakakatalo lang ang pagdating sa endgame. Ano nang bago despite the movements na nakatulong sa pag-close out at pagkamanalo sa laro ito?
Ayun nga, yung sinasabi sa amin ni Coach nung nakaraan kasi yung decision making namin sa endgame, ayun yung malaking dun. So ngayon, nagawa namin ng paraan. Kaya nanalo kami ngayon. Maganda yung decision namin ng mga endgame.
Thank you. Thank you, Adrian. Going back, Coach, your intention as well. Laking bagay na wala si Jason Castro. And if he will be missing the services of him indefinitely, pwede mo ikumpara at describe kung gaano na iba yung laro kapag nandiyan si Jason and wala siya.
Stabilizer nila si Jason. I think he is playing, his minutes are also being managed. It's around 20 plus minutes. Pero quality yung nilalaro niyang mga minuto. It's really the time when he's on court that he's able to make his teammates around him better. He's always been a problem on defense because he can assist, he can shoot the three, he can drive to the basket. So, ano yan, malaking bagay talaga. Pero, sabi ko nga, dapat nakahanda ka talaga, nangyayari talaga. Sa amin, nangyari din yan kay Kaylan nung last conference. Hindi namin siya nagamit. Mabuti nga sila, nagamit nila si Jason, nakapamuhunan na sila ng 2 panalo. Meron na silang deposito ng 2 panalo. Pero, malaking bagay pa rin. It's still a big break for us that they're not able to utilize him. But of course, you don't wish that on anybody. But again, sabi ko nga, ito yung panahon na nagbe-breakdown ng mga players. Araw-araw ang laro, tapos matindi yung aggressiveness, yung intensity ng mga players. Pwede talaga mangyaring ganun.
Thank you, Coach. Now we would like to open the floor with friends from the press.
Coach, congratulations.
Salamat.
Coach, ang mention after game na could have been 2-0 on your side because of how close yung game sa first two games and also tonight. Is your thoughts on all the games speaking?
We're really proud of our performance. I think ang importante rito is makita ng tao na lumalaban ka. Dihado kami rito kahit ano pa sabihin nila, hindi naman nila mababago yan sila daw ang dihado. Parang may nabasa ako ng ganun. Si Jerry ata nagsulat mo na.
Hindi ko.
Pero ang importante is fight every night, play at your best every night, prepare well, give the crowd, give the audience, give the basketball public the enjoyment that they're looking for when they want to see you play. Kami yun lang ang ano namin. And kahit anong mangyari, ang gusto mo, yung respeto ka sa laro. You respect the game, you give everything that you have to win. Sometimes you have a bad night, sometimes you have a good night. That's part of basketball. But I think the public deserves that they see that you're playing your best. Yun lang importante.
And then, after game 1, kung nalaman mo, narinig mo yung mga comments sa'yo for the shot, tsaka ni Jason Castro about yung game for the future basis of the visa. Sadly, hindi nangyari kasi Jason, pero the 2 games na naman tayo siya. Any takeaways or positive lessons na mo after those 2 games?
Ayun, siyempre, sa marangalan yung nabigyan ka naman ng sinasabi sa amin ni Coach, yung ganun point guard, yung point guard talaga, yung kaya pumasa, kaya mag-create.
Model namin si Jason. Yung sabi ko, tignan nyo maglaro yan. Marami kayo matututunan dyan.
Yun na, kaya marami kami natutunan sa akin. Kaya sarap din makakalaban ng mga ganun.
Mag-report na sa loob na sana mas makakalaman ng series na sa
Hindi, siyempre mas malaking sa amin yung malaking bagay sa amin na nawala na si Jason kasi sobrang steady point guard niya. Kaya niya talagang pag pinasok siya talaga kaya niya mag-contribute. So yun.
What do you say about yung defense na yung kay RSK gawin ko yung Johnson makakalitan sa yung ginagawa na yung trabaho?
Kayod Marino nga yung dalawa, no? Pati si Dion actually, no? Nagpapalit-palit sila ron, pero i-score pa rin. No? Kahit fourth quarter, parang pagod, pero binibitbit niya yung team, mag-isa siya. Nakita ko nga yung assist, no? Sa amin 25 assist kami, which is actually a good passing game. Sila 11 assist lang. So, ibig sabihin talaga yung bola nasa kamay ni RHJ, wala kang magawa, hindi mo madepensahan, hindi nila kailangan magpasahan. Kay RHJ lang, buhay ka na. So, sakit ng ulo yun, that's a problem we have to solve kasi for the next few games, makikita ulit natin yung ganun.
Coach, Kailan Johnson was not only active on defense tonight but also kasama sa game talaga.
Yes, parati ko sinasabi sa kanya, RHJ is playing off you. No, kasi RHJ is always in the middle trying to help out, trying to disrupt the offense, trying to deflect the passes, double team. That means he's open. That means he can take advantage when he has a good look, take it. When he can cut. So, mag-seal siya, maging agresibo siya, offensive rebounds. That's what you get if your man is playing off you. And you have to take advantage of that.
Who's the lesson learned from game to NBA? Medyo may pinapagalingan siya.
Si Kailan? Kaya namin siya hindi ginamit nung last conference, inaral muna namin para ngayon namin magamit. Isang conference yun. Hindi. Ano lang talaga, if you don't do that, RHJ is a problem offense and defense. So you have to find a way to mitigate yung situation by being active, by being aggressive offensively. Which yun namang ginawa ni Kailan today.
And that wraps our post-game press conference. Thank you. Congratulations once